Turn on office.
Okay, turning on 5 things.
Okay Google, set office to green. Okay Google, set office to blue. Okay Google, turn office to purple. Okay Google, shut down office.
Okay, turning off 5 things.
Hello guys and welcome back to Syliconn. Today we have the Nest Mini of Google's. So let's unbox this.
Hi, Namaste. To get started, download the Google Home app. आरंभ करने के लिए Google Home app डाउनलोड करें.
Okay Google, play my workout playlist. Okay Google, where's the nearest post office? Hey Google, remind me to buy flowers. Hey Google, what time is the sunrise?
The mic's off. The microphone is back on. Hello, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Okay Google, hello,
Ciao, that's hello in Italian. How can I help?
How are you?
Wonderful. How may I help?
Okay Google, will it rain today?
Yes. Tonight in Kollam, there's a very high chance of rain starting around 8 pm and continuing through the night.
Okay Google, who's the Prime Minister of India?
According to Wikipedia, the Prime Minister of India is the leader of the executive of the Government of India. The Prime Minister is the chief advisor to the President of India and the head of the Union Council of Ministers.
Okay, that's weird. Okay Google, how many languages can you speak?
I speak a few languages and I'm learning more. To change the language I speak, open the Google Home app. At the top right, tap your profile picture or initial, then Assistant Settings, then Languages.
Okay Google, how do you say welcome in Hindi?
In Hindi, you would say Swagat hai.
Okay Google, who's your father?
I consider everyone at Google to be my family.
Okay Google, what's the distance from sun to moon?
About 150 million kilometers. On the website rmg.co.uk, they say, on average, the Earth and Moon are about 150 million kilometers from the Sun.